You ready?
Yep. There it is. You see it?
Yep. That looks pretty good.
What we've got today is a single shot H&R in 243. It's got a loophole scope on it. It has Williams fixed sights on it as well, so if you want to run without the scope. It's got a synthetic stock. And this makes a nice little backup to your hunting rifles, or you could have it as a truck gun. Nice little H&R in 243.
Okay, you ready?
Yep. Boy, that thing sucked my face off. You see it, it's a little high right.
I see it did it again. You ready?
Yep.
Ready?
Yeah. You see it? Right next to the red.
You ready?
Yep.
Okay, I'm going to put it right in the middle.
All right. If my camera would focus on it, I could see it. From what it looks like it's about an inch high.
Yeah. Which is about what you want at 50 yards.
Yeah. I'd leave it right there.
Yep.
Shooting steel again?
Yep.
All right.
Gun stayed closed. It just needed breaking in. Ready?
Let me back out a minute. All right. Yep. Yeah, it's pretty spectacular.
That's awesome. That is pretty awesome.